muscle car corner here. Looking at an Aston Martin DB5, 1965 model, I believe it is. You know what that means right there. Look at this DB5. It's gonna go for close to $1 million. All aluminum engine, 6-cylinder, 4-wheel disc brakes. I mean, come on, a 65 4-wheel disc. There's a right-hand drive car. Just take it in, man. This car is amazing. This looks like a Bond car. It should be silver. We did those DB5 cars in some of the James Bond movies. This car is crazy. Man, I'm in love with this thing. Look at all those gauges. Here again, the restoration on this car is phenomenal. Kind of cool the way they put that steel liner on so you didn't damage the paint, I guess. I don't know what. Just finish work, I guess, but that sunroof. Pull back another sunroof. DB5, I'm a big fan. Let's take a look at the supercharger on this thing. Let's see what we got here. Can't do it. Darn it.